This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your PC meets the game's requirements and freeing at least 20 GB. This prevents mid-install failures. Once done, create a system restore point and sign into the platform you'll use. Make sure you have admin rights, then start the official download or installer. You want the genuine package, so avoid untrusted sources. After download, pause other large transfers and verify the file size matches the store listing before you run the installer. You run the game installer as administrator and pick a stable installation folder with sufficient space. During setup, install any bundled DirectX, Net, and Visual C++ redistributables because those often fix crashes on first launch. Once installation completes, make sure you apply official patches through the game launcher or platform. If the game is older, set the EXE to compatibility mode for Windows 7 or Windows 8 and temporarily disable antivirus to avoid false positives while launching for the first time. You launch the game and immediately update your GPU drivers for optimal stability. Once in, set resolution and graphic presets to get a steady frame rate and configure controller or keyboard bindings. If the launcher offers a verify or repair option, run it to fix corrupted files. Make sure overlays like Discord or Steam are off if you see crashes. If problems continue, run the executable in compatibility mode, reinstall the Visual C++ packages, and try launching as admin. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.